So this question looks like it's going to be a translate word problem question, just given the length of the question itself. So let's read it and see what information it provides. A hiking group will go from a certain town to a certain village by van on one of 4 roads. So I just see this visually, so I'm going to just draw it. This is probably what I would do on a real test. So I have town, and I have village, and I have 1 road, 2 roads, 3 roads, and 4 roads that take me to that village, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. From the village to a waterfall by riding bicycles on one of 2 bicycle paths. Okay, so I have waterfall over here. I can get there by road, bicycle path 1 or bicycle path 2. And then from the waterfall to their campsite by hiking on one of 6 trails. All right, so camp is here. And again, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 paths to the campsite. How many routes are possible for the hiking group to go from the town to the village to the waterfall to their campsite? So what's great about this is we could spend a lot of time answering this question, really mapping out all the different ways, right? I can go down path 1, followed by path 1, followed by path 1, right? That's one way. But I can go down path 1, followed by path 2, and then path 1, right? So I can really trace out each of the ways. And if you were to do that, it would take a lot of time. But the visual here, like the drawing, actually would be extremely helpful in finding that answer. But what I've recognized or what I've learned from this test is that there's a much easier path. Anytime you have a question like this that gives you multiple options, all you do is multiply the number of options that you have, right? So I have 4 and 2 and 6. I'm literally going to just multiply 4 times 2 times 6. 4 times 2 is 12. I'm sorry, 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 6 is 48, and therefore my answer is 48. So what am I telling you? I'm telling you that every single time you have a question that provides multiple options and the question is asking for the number of possibilities there are given those options, all you're going to do is multiply the number of options together. So that's it. The answer is 48.